Are you unintentionally killing your plants by ignoring the very thing that keeps them alive? Yes, your soil. Believe it or not, unhealthy soil could be silently destroying your garden, no matter how much effort you put into watering, planting, or fertilizing. Today, I'm going to reveal the secrets to improving soil health in Zone 8 that will transform your garden into a thriving oasis. So what if I told you that most gardeners make the SAME simple mistake? They focus on the plants, but forget about the soil. That's like building a house on quicksand. Without healthy soil, your plants don't stand a chance. Compost is your secret weapon. Let's dive into the first tip: composting. You don't need fancy store-bought products. Instead, you can make your own compost with kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and leaves. This stuff is gold for your garden. Compost adds vital nutrients back into the soil, making it rich, airy, and perfect for root growth. Start with a small compost pile in your backyard, and within months, you'll have nutrient-packed soil ready to use. Cover crops, nature's soil superheroes. Here's something not everyone knows: cover crops. These are plants like clover or rye that you grow specifically to improve the soil. Sounds strange, right? But as these crops grow, they add organic matter to the soil, break up hard dirt, and prevent erosion. Even in winter, cover crops protect your soil from harsh weather, giving it a much-needed break. Mulch like a pro. Next up, mulch. It's not just to make your garden look pretty. Mulch acts as a natural shield for your soil, keeping it cool, moist, and weed-free. Use materials like straw, wood chips, or even shredded leaves. Lay it down thick around your plants, and you'll instantly boost soil health by reducing evaporation and giving earthworms a cozy home to improve soil structure. Don't overwater, yes? It's possible. Here's a common mistake I see in Zone 8 gardens: overwatering. More water doesn't always mean healthier plants. In fact, too much water can wash away nutrients and compact the soil, making it harder for roots to breathe. Instead, water deeply but less frequently. This trains roots to grow deeper and stronger, which will help your plants thrive even during dry spells. Rotate your crops. One tip that can make a world of difference: crop rotation. Growing the same plants in the same spot year after year drains the soil of specific nutrients. By rotating crops, you allow the soil to recover and stay balanced. Try planting legumes like beans in one spot this year, and next year switch it up with leafy greens or root vegetables. And there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful ways to improve your soil health in a Zone 8 garden. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. So, start with the soil, and your garden will thank you with bigger blooms, juicier fruits, and stronger plants. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to make your garden thrive. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.